Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud. Now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for January the 22nd to January the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, nag-create na rin po tayo ng or nag-post na rin tayo ng videos for January the 22nd to the 31st sa kabilang channel. So, ibang readings po yun. Kung hindi po kayo dito nakaka-resonate, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Ano? So, Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. No? Simulan na natin. Pisces, foundations and achievement, truth, and financial and material changes. So, nakikita natin dito na medyo unti-unting lumuluwag na ang mga bagay-bagay. No? Ang energy na dating taghirap, no? Ang energy na dating puro iyak, ngayon para nakikita mo nag-iiba na, especially when it comes to abundance. Abundance may mean different for each person, no? Abundance may mean literally money. Abundance may also mean time, energy, effort, no? Abundance may mean relationship. Ayan. So, parang nakikita mo, maisa sa katuparan ko, no? Or maisa sa katuparan ko na malapit na, no? Parang alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ko dinadaya ang sarili ko, hindi ako yung nagpapaka dream state lang, no? Or yung nangangarap lang. Gusto kong mangyari ito sa 3D, no? Dito sa mundo. So kasi ang sabi nga nila, ang Pisces masyadong dreamy, masyadong fantasy, no? You're living your fantasy. I'm seeing that this is about to happen very soon, no? With the 8 of Wands, the 4 of Cups, and the 4 of Wands. So ang nakikita natin dito, siguro you're manifesting something which is I think that you're expanding as of the moment. Expanding in a way, sabihin natin, meron kang lists, no? Meron kang mga plano. Pero ngayon, nakikita mo kung ano yung realistic doon sa dream state. Tapos, pinapalitan mo siya ng something that is achievable, attainable, no? Hindi yung, kumbaga maraming nagbabago ngayon sa iyong perception or point of view. Whether it is family matters, whether it is finances, career, your romance, no? Even sarili mong growth. With the Chariot and the Star, you feel like mahaba ang iyong patutunguhan, malayo ang iyong mararating. For a few numbers of you, masasakatuparan mo ito kung aalis ka sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang lokasyon. I feel like with the stars in here, no, meron talaga ditong bahay, papel. So either you want to relocate or you want to buy a house, no? With the Lovers, the World card, ang nakikita naman natin dito, sama na natin yung High Priestess, the Lovers and the World card, lalo na yung mga pagbabago when it comes to your relationship or romantic life. So, ang laki ng blessings na ibinibigay ng 2025 sa'yo, yung bang confidence pa lang, yun bang wala pa sa'yo pero alam mong nandiyan na, no? So, nandito tayo, siguro naniniwala kayo or you're practicing law of attraction, di ba? Sabi nga nila, feelings is the main ingredients for you to achieve whatever it is that you are manifesting. It's not the thought, but it's the feelings. With the Seven of Cups, so ang daming mong options right now. Ang dami mo ring mga bagay na gusto mong puntahan, gawin, no? I feel like iniisa-isa mo siya. I feel like you're being organized with a lot of things. And I'm also seeing you have a different manifestations right now, this 2025. For a few numbers of you, I am seeing stability, no? With whatever manifestations there is. With the Five of Pentacles. So for you, yes, lesson learned itong mga na experience natin, especially doon sa tayo mismo ang naging hindrance, no, sa sarili nating growth. Ngayon ngayon we're taking responsibilities to those, sabihin nating mishaps, no. Dati kasi tayo yung mapagturo, no, and we're not seeing any growth in that. So ngayon, meron tayong I'm taking ownership of whatever things that happened to me. And from that, no, natututo akong natututo ako per se, natututo akong magmahal muli, natututo ako na hindi na gawin ang mga bagay na ginawa ko. Gawin yung mga steps na nangyari or ginawa ko dati with the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. So ngayon parang ang generosity, no, na binibigay mo is balance. Whether it is, um, ngayon tinatanong ko, ito bang abundance or generosity na ibibigay ko comes from the heart? Or should I use my head on this? So ngayon hindi lang basta puro heart. So I'm also seeing logics, no? Nagagamitin with the Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups. So I feel like merong either medyo maliit sa'yo or medyo bata, no, na merong mag-o-offer. These abundance, no, should have been yours for quite a while. Kaso, parang either nakalimutan or sadyang hindi binigay ng mga time na yon. Pero with your growth right now, nakita ko nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo, na parang things are falling into places this 2025, including you might be connecting or na-meet mo na itong taong sabihin nating soulmate or twin flame, no, more of a twin flame here. I am seeing a lot of recognitions. I'm seeing a lot of positive changes in your life, especially with love, career, finances, and even yung well-being, no. I feel like this year is one of your year. It may not be the you may not be the very lucky zodiac sign, but you are lucky enough to, sabihin nating, grasp and harvest, no, itong manifestations na sinasabi mong gusto kong ma-achieve this year. So this is your reading, Pisces. Bago natin i-check ang zodiac sign ng person mo, gusto ko lang pong ipaalam sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po tayo nag-live reading, no, or live question Q&A. So that's Babaylan TV. Kung hindi niyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo, no, kung hindi po kayo nasasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. No? Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Sa website po, nandun po yung question form, amount per question, the name, the number, QR code for your reference. Ayan. So I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just